For today's video mga ka-lovely, I'm gonna show you how to prepare and cook my prawn curry. It's so yummy and delicious. These are my ingredients for my cooking and recipe. Tips. My ingredients, and first we need to marinate the prawn with salt, nor liquid, and black pepper to add the flavor, to make it tasty. The prawn is tasty. Cloves and cumin, chili, coriander, turmeric, curry powder, coconut, and Jamaican seasoning, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and onion. Thank you so much to all my viewers, my subscribers, and also my very supportive members. Thank you so much. Now we proceed for cooking. Heat the pan. Make sure the pan is hot. And garlic, ginger. If it is, you smell the fragrance, then add the tomato, onion, and the prawn. It's quick and easy. I add more spice to savor the dish and to make it tasty. I always add chili to my dish to make it delicious, more delicious. And did you know that chili is a overall pack of good benefits in our health? And the coconut milk. It's almost done, my cooking. I add 1 teaspoon of sugar to make the prawn curry more delicious. This is one of my secret. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Here it is, my prawn curry. Looks so yummy. For those who are new on my channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell all so that you are always updated when I have a new videos. Thank you so much.